This is our shop here. Outside we have a motor here. This is our shop. If you can see, it's a open shop only here. And we have also a motor here for pump motor. That is our pump motor, guys. We can see that pump motor supplied to our production. And then this machine also we are troubleshooting. Now it's good now. This now is ready to use. This machine we are troubleshooting also. If you can see, we troubleshoot this machine. Now it's good now, ready for production. And this is our fire pump motor also. We have a panel board from there, if you can see. And this is also the panel board of our pump motor. And we supply in the production in case of there is a fire. We can use this pump motor to prevent fire inside. This is the panel board.